Replacement of counterweight wire ropes. Remove the 6 bolts from the baffle plate on the inner side of the gantry frame. Remove the screw cap.
我你妹的！好，拿出什么东西？好，
Pull out the steel wire rope.
拿走。走。
Screw on the stud cap.
差不多吧。
When installing the steel wire rope, first remove the pulley at this location. Thread the steel cable through and then attach the pulley. Subsequently, the steel cable was returned along the original route.
转到你。我去，这错了，错了。
Reattach the nut and secure the steel cable to the counterweight adjustment rod. Finally, reattach the inner protective cover.
我操！行啊，没事。走，你走。好，就这样。